Hey guys, in this lesson, I want to talk about how software development and IT operations handle complex systems. There are two main ways: traditional system administration and modern DevOps methods. We'll also discuss how Agile methodology fits with all of this. Back in the day, traditional system administration was the way to go. It had a hierarchical structure where different teams managed separate parts of the system, like network, servers, and storage. These teams focused on their own areas and didn't interact much, which sometimes slowed things down and made it difficult to adapt quickly to changes. But then came DevOps, a modern approach to IT management that encourages teamwork and communication between teams. DevOps brings developers and operations teams together to automate and streamline the software delivery process, making it easier to deploy software rapidly and adjust the development process when needed. One major difference between the two is automation. Traditional system administration often involves manual tasks, which can be slow and error-prone. DevOps, however, uses automation tools to speed up software delivery and increase reliability. Another key difference is the focus on culture. DevOps is all about fostering a collaborative environment where teams work together to achieve common goals. In contrast, traditional system administration can feel more isolated, with each team doing its own thing. Now, let's talk about Agile methodology. Agile is a project management approach that emphasizes flexibility and teamwork. It's based on the Agile Manifesto, which outlines principles for software development, like delivering working software frequently, embracing change, and working together as a team. Agile is all about continuous improvement, making it popular in software development, product management, and other project-based work. DevOps and Agile often go hand in hand because Agile provides a framework for delivering value to customers in small increments, which results in faster delivery and better flexibility. Here's how Agile helps DevOps: faster feedback and delivery. Agile focuses on delivering small, functional components quickly, helping DevOps teams to receive feedback and make improvements faster. Collaboration and teamwork. Agile promotes collaboration between various teams, helping DevOps teams work together to identify and fix issues more efficiently. Customer focus. Agile keeps the customer at the center of the development process, helping DevOps teams prioritize customer needs and deliver more effectively. Flexibility. Agile is all about adapting to change, which is important in DevOps, where technology constantly evolves. This allows DevOps teams to respond quickly and effectively to changes, further improving the delivery process. Think of Agile methodology in software development as your daily life. Just as you adapt to new situations, solve problems, and make decisions quickly in your everyday life, Agile encourages the same principles in software development. It's all about iterative development, breaking a software project into smaller parts that are developed and tested step by step. Just like you might change your plans for the day based on what's happening around you, Agile teams can adapt to changes and evolve their software development plans as needed. Agile also emphasizes collaboration and communication between team members, similar to how you communicate and collaborate with others daily to achieve your goals.